Hi, my name is Kathleen Holtz. I'm a graduate of Conestoga College. I took the Mechanical Engineering Technology program, Design and Analysis, and I'm also a graduate of the Mechanical Engineering Bachelor of Engineering, Mechanical Systems Engineering program. I wanted a much more hands-on experience, so Conestoga was able to provide me with that hands-on experience. Our capstone project was a group project, building an automation cell. It also provided the skills required for being able to work as a team and provide experience of what real work experience is going to be like. One of the key things that Conestoga did was it taught me SolidWorks. Being able to do a drawing, detail a drawing, understand how to put an assembly together, how to check for interferences. That's what's needed in a lot of roles. I contacted Eclipse about the job for the mechanical designer. So they said, keep in touch and we'll get back to you. So I kept in touch, and 5 months later, I had a job here at Eclipse. Eclipse designs stuff for a variety of industries, between industrial to medical to food services. You could tell that there needed to be something changed to help control the quality of our work. So the role of the Standards and Training Coordinator was developed, and I stood up to take that position. Another aspect that Conestoga College provided me with is the drive to want to continue to learn. I've been taking programs since I worked at Eclipse, and it has given me the ability to be a stronger trainer for my department. I'm in a team of 40 other men. There's not a lot of women here. Every day is a new challenge, which makes for quite an interesting job. Every fall, I volunteer at Go Eng Girl, which is an event for girls in grade 7 to 11. It's there to introduce them to engineering. It's usually a very fun atmosphere, and it's nice to get an idea of how girls can see that engineering is not just gears and motors. Engineering is problem solving. Engineering makes lives better. If I was to give advice to any woman thinking about getting into engineering, I would tell them to be strong and capable and strong-willed, that women can do anything. Engineering is not a question of gender, but a question of a desire to find a solution to an everyday problem.